is your First Alert 5 weather with Sam Schreier.
Good morning, everyone. Updated a few of our snow totals here from kind of the most recent ones, essentially, that I could find. Rides and Isabel, excuse me, both got about 12 inches. The Wet Mountains did really, really well here. Pueblo, we were kind of seeing about 2 to 3 inches reported through town. Jessica was measuring at the tape measure, got about the same thing where she was at. Security had a report of 1.8 inches, so right close to 2, which is closer to the end of our forecast. And then Colorado Springs was between about a ½ inch to 1.5 inches across town. The south half of town seemed to do a little bit better. Peterson Air Force Base over on the east side of town, now about a ½ inch. And we kind of thought yesterday the east side of town would be like 1 to 4, so off, but at least it did kind of show, yeah, the east side of town did not get nearly as much. So Colorado City and just outside for the interstate, we are drying things up. The snowfall is going to keep moving out of the way pretty quick. Where it is lingering is just some weak flurries on Highway 350 and over on Baca County. We've got very cold air this morning. Teens from Fort Carson on post to Colorado Springs at the airport, 10 at the Academy, 4 for Woodland Park. And then as we take a look around, 22 for Pueblo, 19 to 21 from Walsenburg to Trinidad. Over the next 7 days, silver weather alert for this morning, but really today, just cold and a little breezy through the afternoon, so it'll stay chilly. My hope that as we get enough sun, we can actually raise temperatures a little bit. That is a chance, but with the cloud cover and this fresh snow, I thought, well, let's just go a little cooler to be safe here today. The hope is that we can get a couple degrees warmer. We're going to be warmer through the rest of the week, particularly by Friday, which looks awesome. Tomorrow, I have a flurry mentioned with a question mark. Reason for that is because most of town probably completely dry. Maybe a few flakes in the evening. It seemed to me the snow chances tomorrow are best for mountain towns west of the interstate. And even then, it's a pretty weak looking system. Pueblo, I think that you are dry through your extended forecast and a lot warmer, especially when we get to Friday with 54 degrees and then mid 50s through the weekend. All right, we go down to Canyon City, so we over to Canyon City from Pueblo. We see a flurry mentioned tomorrow. Again, pretty weak, mostly to the mountains outside of town or west of town. 50s for the weekend, pretty nice on Friday. And finally, we go look around Woodland Park. We are seeing some cold weather in the next couple days. A light snow expected tomorrow, either at the end of the day or the evening, but accumulation looking to be under 1 inch.